I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Myspace account. For that you'll need to open up your browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search myspace.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Myspace website. Be sure that you're logged into your account. Now you'll need to open this page on desktop view. For that, tap on the three-dot menu icon which is on top right of your screen, and then select desktop site. After that, tap on the settings icon which is on bottom left of your screen. Go to account. There you'll see the option of delete account. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Select why you want to delete your account and then tap on delete my account. This way you can delete your Myspace account. Now all of your data will be permanently deleted. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.